Hey besties, let's bake and decorate this simple cake together. In this video, as you can see, I had already baked the cake and I had to wrap it so as to keep it moist. Mind you, this was my first time of baking and decorating a cake. It wasn't easy, guys. Whenever you're trying something for the first time, don't give up. So here I had already mixed my butter icing. Butter icing is not that difficult to get it. If you don't know how to do it, you can drop a comment and I will just drop a video for you so that you can also learn how to do it. I had already mixed my butter icing together and everything was going on smoothly. So going over to the decorating of the cake, I didn't know that after crumb coating you had to put your cake in the fridge or freezer so that you can allow it to come together before you start decorating. Let me allow you to dive into the video. I hope you watch this video to the end, but please don't laugh. Enjoy the rest of the video and hope I tried my best. Thank you and bye. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.